You're watching today's video technical update presented by FX Times. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2010. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. Today I'll take a look at the Euro dollar, Pound dollar, and Aussie dollar, as well as the Euro Pound crosses. And this video is being produced at about 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time ahead of the Asian session. Here's a look at the Euro dollar 4-hour chart. The market has been ranging downwards in a slight tilt, while the momentum recently is turning up. So we'll see if the market can break above this resistance line. If it does, we are in a correction. But if the market continues to decline and breaks below, especially you see here our support has sort of flattened out. So if it breaks below this 1.3450 area, then we might head further down here towards, you see here we're at the 61% retracement. The next retracement level at 78.6 is about 1.31 and would be around 150, 168 extension of this previous swing. So that's the projection for a downwards break. But a break on the top, well, first we'll see if if the market tests this declining trend line. So looking back at the 4-hour time frame, if it breaks on top, you still need some confirmation from this power line here at 1.3750. If it breaks that trend line, power line, and is able to establish a support above, then we are in a major correction, and we could have a swing projection or here a retracement projection with a swing projection as such. Okay, so that's the Euro dollar pair with a bullish outlook as well as the bearish outlook coming out of this channel. Here's a look at the Pound dollar pair 4-hour time frame. You see that it's a lot more bearish than the Euro dollar. However, we hit our projection here at 1.49 and the market has paused since. And the stochastic is slowly turning back up, but it is still very bearish. Looking at the daily time frame, again you see the stochastic is very bearish, and the market is at this 161.8 projection with our next level at 1.45. So if the market continues to decline, which may happen after a correction, then the next target is 1.45. Now we should stalk this correction. Here with the latest swing, we could project it to have some resistance here around 1.53. So look out for further consolidation. If the market breaks above this current short-term consolidation, you may have a more complex consolidation towards 168, and then if there's topping action with bearish signal, the next support, looking at the daily, is 1.45. Here's a look at the Aussie dollar pair. We see that here last week we had a projection to retracement to the 0.87 area. The market missed that, but and was supported above the 50% retracement area instead. So from here, the swing projection still goes to near the 0.92 area with this declining resistance. The market so far is showing that it's that outlook materializing, but it is testing a short-term resistance. So there's some near-term bearish factors here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we see this rally and then this major correction, and now we may have, see this major correction basically had two swings, and now we may be exiting this consolidation. But again, an important level here is this previous high, which the market will be testing in the Asian session. Again, we may have some bearish near-term forces here. And ultimately, if it does break above, look for the market to head to 0.92 in the next swing. Alright. That's it for the Aussie dollar. Here's a look at the euro pound pair. We're looking at the daily time frame, and we see that this is at the moment a resistance area, a cluster of this previous high, also a 200% projection of this swing, and also a 61.8% retracement of this downswing here. So we are seeing at least some short-term resistance here, but we do see that this is a very bullish action, and even if we may have some retracement, our anticipation should be for further rally. But if you look at the weekly time frame, you see that the market is basically testing the resistance of a triangle. Here, this triangle pattern was held up, the support held up, and now it's testing the resistance. So if the resistance breaks, we may have a swing projection to the 0.96 area, which is a start of a new upward channel. So again, looking back at the daily, we are testing that area right now, the 0.91 area, and we may have a retracement if the market is not able to break through. We might have some correction back down here in the previous power line here at the 0.8950 area, 0.89 area, and then if it bottoms there, then the next swing will likely break. Now, if this swing breaks in the Asian session, look for very short correction, because with a very strong swing, your correction may not go to your 50 or 61.8% retracement. It should be around 23.6 or 38.2% retracement. So if the market breaks above, look for a very short retracement and then continuation towards the 0.96 area. Otherwise, we may continue congesting and continue in this congestion pattern, and what we have to do now is to stalk all the price action until a breakout. And after a breakout, if it's on the upside, we could have a quick outlook to the 96 area, 0.96 area. But if it breaks below, then watch for more confirmation, such as a pullback, as we are just above this previous consolidation as well, and a decline might meet resistance right away. So that's the outlook for the euro pound pair. And that's it for today. Visit fxtimes.com for more fundamental and technical updates, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at FX Times, wishing you good trading.